Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to compare two lenses, and it's going to be 28-60 and 24-105 f4, and both of them are of course Sony E mount lenses, and both of them are considered, I think, as the first lenses you can buy while thinking about full frame camera from Sony E mount. And I'm going to focus especially on the focal length comparison and the background blur and compression side by side. And in my first test I was placing my cameras side by side, they were in the same spot exactly, and I am comparing the focal length. So at the beginning we are at the wide end of both camera, and it's 24 on the 24-105 and 28 on 28-60 mm kit lens. So that's how it looked like. So they're side by side on the same spot exactly, and we are comparing the focal length. So this is how it looks on the wide side of the both lenses, and right now we are going to the telephoto side of both lenses, and we can clearly see that 24-105 is the better lens if we are talking about zooming in. So here is the first point for 24-105, and let's take a look once again on the wider side of the both lenses, and we can see once again 24-105 is visibly wider. So I think that this is the first thing to consider while thinking about both of these lenses. And the second thing, I'm going to take a look at the bokeh on the 60 mm at both lenses and the maximum aperture we can get on both of them. And the 24-105 is on the left side is 60 mm f4, and on the right side we've got 28-60 at f5.6 and 60 mm. And I can feel like we can clearly see the difference on both of these lenses. I was making it, of course, the side by side, and we can see that f4 is visibly better at bokeh and the background separation right now at 60 mm, and we can still go a little bit more with 24-105. So let's punch into 105 and let's see how the background blur and the background separation looks like. And I think that here is another point for 24-105, that if you want to get some kind of talking head, for example, maybe some portrait, or you are just hiking around in the mountains and you want to punch in a little bit when you saw some kind of big bear in there. So yes, you can do it. You can punch in and get the amazing headshot of the bear, which will eat you in a few seconds. And okay, the next thing I am going to compare is I am making the same frame, and I was using the rule of third to get the same frame of the phone. So here is my subject, and the phone is taking exactly 33% of the frame, and on the 24-105 I am using 105 f4, and at 28-60 I am using 60 mm f5.6. so I'm using the maximum telephoto possibilities of both lenses. And as you can see, I had to come closer with 28-60 to get the similar perspective of my subject, and this is how the difference in bokeh and the background separation looks while we are making this kind of comparison when the subject has to take the same amount of the frame. Okay guys, and this is all I got for you today. I hope that you will like, subscribe and comment below. Tell me in the comment section which one do you prefer. Thank you for watching guys. See ya.